If you are there, you're not getting this, okay? So bad. Okay, can we, like, as you are eating, can we like slowly start? Yeah. Okay, today I want to look at simple sentences. What are simple sentences? Because in English, actually we got 4, but I'm just focusing on 3. Simple, compound, complex. Then actually we got number 4, compound, complex. But I don't want to bring and confuse you, so I just focus on these 3. Alright, in your line of work as an airline cabin crew, simple, compound, complex, enough for you. Is that okay? Okay, so we just focus on that. Okay, what are simple sentences? Alright, the basics of forming a sentence is subject and a verb. There must be a subject, there must be a verb. So that is what we call as SV. SV means subject verb. Okay? Okay, like John plays badminton. John is the subject, plays is the verb, badminton is the object. If you have to know, it's good to know SVO, but I don't want to focus on that. O, I just want to focus on S and V. S and V. Are we clear now? Jason, okay? Alright? So he is clever. He is the subject, this is the verb. Clever is the object. Is that okay now? Alright? Now subject verb agreement. My brother is. My brother is singular, so is studying in the A-level program. Match a singular subject to a singular verb. You cannot say my brother are. Correct? Alright? My brothers, because of the S here is plural, so my brothers are. Is that clear now? That is what we call a subject-verb agreement. They agree. Is that clear now? Alright? Ignore prepositional phrases in the subject-verb agreement. Okay. One of my brothers. Okay. See, this is where I think many students will make mistakes. One of the students is or are. See, now, because you understand one is the focus of the students, that is one of the many. The many is not the focus is one. So one is. Is that okay? So one of my brothers, because of my brothers is actually a prepositional phrase. Correct? So that's why we say ignore prepositional phrases in the subject-verb agreement. So if you say one of my brothers, you still use is, because your subject is one, not brothers. Is that okay now? Okay? Is it okay? Alright. The subject is one, which is singular. Some you know is plural. Some of my A-level teachers play. That's why play here no S. Play badminton. Is that okay? So some play. Is that clear now? Alright? So the subject is several. Some means several, which is plural. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is another part where most of us make mistakes. Alright? Is it positive, or is it negative, or is it true or false? Alright, let's try to understand. If it is positive and positive, we use and. Joins 2 or more positives. I love ice cream, pizza, and chicken, fried chicken. We use and. But if it is negative, I see so many students still use and. Negative, we should be using or. Can you understand? Alright? Or joins 2 or more negatives. I don't like. Don't like means it's negative already. I don't like chicken rice. Many people would say, I don't like chicken rice and fried rice. True? Jason? But actually, negative means you must use or. is already negative. So you don't like chicken rice, you don't like fried rice. So I don't like chicken rice or fried rice. But many times we would say, I don't like chicken rice and fried rice. Actually, you're wrong. The British, the Americans won't speak like that. They would use and. They would use or. But we, I think second language learners, we would use and. I don't like chicken and fish. That's wrong. I don't like chicken or fish.
So that sentence also means like I don't like chicken and I don't also like fried rice.
Yes, I don't like chicken rice, I don't like fried rice. Is that okay now? Yeah. So I think this mistake is very common, very prevalent throughout the world. Wherever I go, I hear people say, oh, I don't like burgers and pizza, which is wrong. I don't like burger or pizza. Is that okay now? It's because it's negative. That's the general rule. Is it okay?
How about when choose the one of two?
You?
One out of two.
Then you say, I like, okay. I like chicken or fish. I like chicken or fish. I like is positive.
How about this one?
What do you prefer?
Whether you prefer chicken or fried?
Yes. When you say when it's preference, what do you prefer? Chicken or fish? That means you have two choices. You can choose one. Is that okay? Alright? So what do you prefer? So that is not included into these two negatives or two positives. You cannot say, what do you prefer? Chicken and fish? Cannot. What do you prefer? Chicken or fish? Because you have two choices, you can choose one. Correct?
It is not positive, negative.
It's not negative. But it is a choice. Now we have a choice. If choice means must use all. So, but if it is positive, use and. If two or more negative, use all. But generally we make a mistake there. I don't already negative. I don't like chicken and fish. You say, you are trying to say, I don't like chicken, I don't like fish. But that is wrong. You should say, I don't like chicken or fish. Is that okay now? Okay? But I think that ruling is slowly becoming very diluted now. Because all over the world, I still hear so many people say, I don't like chicken and fish. I think you all also speak like that. Correct? Oh dear, really? No, you see, well, I don't want to be too strict with you all, but I want you to understand the traditional grammar. Traditional grammar is this, alright? But English language is also molding itself, is slowly changing. And Americans, I think they have, like what my professor used to say, he says the Americans have bastardized the English language. You know, bastardized. They have made the English language a bastard. You know bastard? You know? Since all boys, easy for me to talk. You know this word? Jason, you know this word? I don't know, or maybe you say it a bit differently. Fasted. So a lot of things are not proper in English, but the Americans have accepted. So like the way we speak here, I don't like chicken rice and the fried rice. That could be even be American grammar accepted. Is that okay? Alright? So that's why I don't want to be too strict. I don't want to be too strict. Alright? So we have polluted, we have mixed, polluted the language. But that's okay, because I think it's good to grow with the latest trend. Yeah? So let us not be too strict about it, but basic grammar you have to follow. No choice, right? Or also connects choices, yeah, true or false. Is your teacher friendly or fierce? Is that okay? That is choice. Is that okay? Do you prefer chicken or fish? That is the choice. Alright? So or also connects choices. That's simple sentences, very easy already understood. But we'll go deeper into it later. Alright? Let's finish compound sentences. Yes.
My phone translation also translate like I don't like apple and banana.
I don't like apple and banana.
Yeah,
I don't like. They give you that.
they wrong, right?
They write like that. Is it American?
No, Korean translation publication.
They didn't say I don't like apple or banana. I don't like apple and banana. They say and.
That's wrong.
Maybe Americans have already accepted, and I believe Korean English you all follow American.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why I say I won't be too strict about this ruling.
Yeah. In UK, if I use I don't like banana and apple.
They would in UK